Brian Hopkins Jones was an English musician and composer, best known as the founder and original leader of the Rolling Stones. Initially a slide guitarist, Jones would go on to play a wide variety of instruments on Rolling Stones recordings and in concerts, such as rhythm and lead guitar, sitar, dulcimer, various keyboard instruments such as piano and mellotron, marimba, wind instruments such as harmonica, recorder, saxophone, as well as drums, vocals and numerous others. Jones and fellow guitarist Keith Richards developed a unique style of guitar play that Richards refers to as the ancient art of weaving, where both players would play a rhythm and lead parts together. Richards would carry the style on with later Stones guitarists, and the sound would become a Rolling Stones trademark. After he founded the Rolling Stones as a British blues outfit in 1962 and gave the band its name, Jones' fellow band members Richards and Mick Jagger began to take over the band's musical direction, especially after they became a successful songwriting team. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.